Morning. It's hopefully engine out today. I've allowed a full day to do this, which is good, and I'm just having a slight altercation with the bonnet. Bonnet's got to come off, and I could phone my father-in-law to give me a hand. It would make it a very safe and easy job, but you know, I just thought I'd crack on with it myself, and this is where we are. We've got one bracket completely removed and one bolt still attached to the other bracket. These things are heavily spring loaded. It's propped up at the back with a piece of wood, so hopefully I'm going to get it off satisfactorily. There we go. It's been a long day, and the engine is just gonna find its way out of the car. I had to disconnect the gearbox obviously, and also the gearbox drive shafts to move the gearbox back. There's a couple of frame chassis braces underneath the gearbox, they both had to come off. But it's coming out, which is great. I'm not sure I'm going to get it cleaned up tonight, but I'll do my best. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to hike it out and show you it when it's on the deck. This is the last photo I have of the engine before it got sent away to be stripped and examined. It came out pretty easily, and it's quite a heavy thing. So use the engine hoist to stick it in the back of my van and take it down to Cirencester, where it's being stripped down. Had a call a couple of weeks later, come down and have a look, he said, so I did, and the outcome was pretty good really. Here's some follow-up photos. As you can see, it looks pretty fair inside. The removable liners all in good condition. The crankshaft, the engineer said it's absolutely fine. There's no noticeable wear based upon the tolerances. The heads, yeah, he said, considering they're 52 years old, they're in really good shape. Everything will clean up nicely. The only culprit was piston number 1, which was slightly below tolerance for its diameter, I think. All the piston rings were still complete. The other factor that I don't have a photo of here, unfortunately, was the bearings. So the bearings on piston number 1 had also gone through to the bronzing, which shows that basically it's a 52-year-old engine, and it needed rebuilding. So nothing drastic, but hopefully once it's all put back together again, it will be reinstalled in the car, probably autumn winter time I think by now. But hopefully you can join me again when I actually get around to doing another video of the engine coming back and going back into the car. So look, thanks for having a look. Take care.